Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to the beautiful town of Sewall Point, Florida. This small, charming community sits on a peninsula between the St. Lucie River and the Indian River Lagoon. Surrounded by water on three sides, it is known for its stunning waterfront views, peaceful streets lined with oak trees, and its dedication to preserving nature and history. Sewall Point was named after Captain Henry Edwin Sewall, who settled here in 1889. He built a home at the southern tip of the peninsula and established the area's second post office in 1891. His dock quickly became a stop for travelers navigating the Indian River. Over time, the town grew into a quiet, residential area, attracting people who love the beauty of Florida's waterways. It has been nationally recognized as a tree city for over 2 decades, thanks to its efforts to preserve its lush green spaces and wildlife habitats. The town is also a designated bird sanctuary, making it a great place for nature lovers and bird watchers. Sewall Point is a peaceful and welcoming community, offering a perfect blend of natural beauty, history, and small-town charm. Whether you are visiting for a day or considering making it your home, this hidden gem in Florida is a place where you can slow down and enjoy the simple pleasures of coastal living.
Thanks for watching!